Hello guys, in today's video we are gonna see about how to handle the quit event in pygame's package. Let's see how to do that. First we will create a file. For that click on file, click on new and click on Python file. Name it as flickr.py. We have created a Python file. Now let's import pygame package. And then import system package. And then from pygame .local import all. For all we use star. Let's set the screen size. Okay. For that, first we have to write as window equal to pygame dot display dot set more. In this we will specify the size of the window we are going to create. Let us store the size in a variable named size equal to, let's say, as 400, 300. In this we will pass this variable size. We have created a window of this size and we will fill this window in white color. We will create a variable while and store its value RGB. Will 225, 225, 225. This is the white. This is the value of white. In terms of, this is for R, this is for G, this is for B. If we have only 225 here and 00 here, then it will be red. Then if we have 225 here and 00 here, then it will be blue. Likewise it is RGB. R for red, G for green, B for blue. Okay, let's move. Let's fill this white window. Windows dot fill white color. White. Okay, let's flip. Pygame dot display dot flip. Let's update the window. Pygame dot display dot update. Now we will create a while loop. This is a game loop which will run forever. When we click a quit button, it will quit. That's it we are doing. While true, sorry, while true, and we are getting the events in the event loop. Okay, for event in pygame dot event dot get. This will get the events which is running on the window we have created, and each events will be stored in the event. This will be an object. If the object type is quit, event dot type, sorry, equal to quit. It should be in capital. Then let's call pygame dot quit, and then system dot exit. This will close the window. That's it. For if it is not a quit event, let us print what the event it is. Else print event, and then update the window. Pygame dot display dot update. That's it. Okay, let us run this code. Control Shift F10. Sorry, Shift F10. Why it's creating a Shift F10. Okay, let's run this code now. It's running. A window has created a 400 into 300 size, and it is filled with the white color. While moving this cursor on the window, it is showing here. See the mouse motion. And if we press a key, it will show as key down. Sorry. See? If we press here, key down, or the key value will be here. If we press the quit button, now it will quit. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do support and share this video to your friends and family who are wishing to learn coding. Thanks for your support.